Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body thing, body, 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 body. And Shorty got the body.
So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is another wig video, but today's video will be sponsored by Poshglad Braided Wigs. And from you hear the name, you already know what type of wig this is. This is a braided wig. Now I'm going to be showing you guys what they sent to me. They sent me the wig comes in this box, and they sent me this headband, this head bonnet I should say. They also sent, they sent me this headband with the African print. So cute, so nice, I love it. They also sent me a matching mask, but I was wearing the mask and I don't know where it is right now, but the mask is literally the same print. Yeah, so this is what came in it: a bonnet and a mask. Now let's see the wig itself. It's pretty heavy from the bag, like pretty heavy, because it is a braided wig, so you know braids are sometimes a little bit heavier than regular hairstyles. But this is the wig, completely full lace wig all round, like entire, like it's literally lace and hair, no other form of material, it's just lace all around. I'm excited to try this one out. And it's like, guys, you see how well constructed this wig is. I don't remember what length this is, but when I start doing the installation of the video I will tell you guys. But just look on how neatly this wig was constructed. This is a wig. This is a wig. But yeah, I'm going to bleach this hair right now. I'm going to bleach it, and then after I'm going to come back and do the installation. So I already did my ball cap method, guys. Now I'm going to be the wig. So I'm going to spray my even tinted lace spray, and this is in the color light warm brown. So I'll be spraying the lace. Okay, so this is how it's looking when it's sprayed. I am going to be cutting off the back half because it is a full lace wig, so I'm going to be cutting off the back of the lace right here, just to get that out the way before I actually start doing the full install. Okay, so the back is fine. Actually fits good. So it's just right here. So hey guys, what I'm doing right now is pretty much using the Bolt Hold Skin Protectant Spray to spray my skin to make sure the glue does not irritate my skin. And then I'm going to be going in with the Bolt Hold Active Glue. Don't mind my phone. In the video, I was doing the TikTok video as well. But I pretty much used the Bolt Hold Active Glue, and I did 2 layers. I allowed them to dry clear, and then I went ahead and did the pressing down of the lace on my scalp, or on the wig cap. also had went in and tweezed the front part a little bit because the front part, the middle part of the front part was a little bit thicker for the baby hairs. So I did go in and I plucked out a little bit of the hair because I didn't want it to be too thick. For this wig, you could do it without baby hairs. You could cut your baby hairs off and it will still look cute, but I wanted to keep some of my baby hairs on. But you're able to wear it without baby hairs as well. But I am just curling my baby hairs like how I would normally do with any of my other wigs, and then I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs. Like I said, you could have done it without baby hairs, but I wanted to actually try to see if I could do it as well. Pretty much just do the baby hairs as how I would normally do with my regular wig, just to see like, okay, will it look cute as well. My next install of this wig, I'm probably going to do it without baby hairs as well, because I want to see like the two different looks. But for this look, I wanted to try with the baby hairs to see like if it was like my normal hair that I did with knotless braids, I would have did baby hairs. So I wanted to mimic what I would have done if it was on my natural hair, because I love my baby hairs, my natural baby hairs. So I would have actually did baby hairs if I had gotten like knotless braids done on my natural hair. So I wanted to mimic the natural hair as much as possible. So yeah, but probably the next time when I'm doing it, I will see like if I could actually do it without baby hairs. Well, you can, but just to see how it looks as well, because I'm used to doing baby hairs whenever I do braids, and that's on period. Final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Once again, I would like to thank Poshglad Braided Wigs for sending me this wig. I absolutely love this wig because it is giving me scalp vibes, and also I can get my knotless braids small at that, long, without sitting down for 4 to 6 hours. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's giving me what it's supposed to give. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Go over to my Instagram because Sis is about to take some pictures to post on her Instagram. Hopefully they come out cute. So if you want to see how my pictures come out, then you have to head over to my Instagram, and that's at asslaxx__. Yeah. And follow me on TikTok as well at asslaxx__. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Show your little body.